How to use a Bank of America digital card. To use your Bank of America digital card, you can either use it online or in an app. So when you check out online or in-app, you can select the Bank of America digital card as your payment method. You'll then be prompted to enter your virtual card number, expiration date and CVV. And you can also use it at a contactless terminal. When you tap your phone or watch at a contactless terminal, your Bank of America digital card will be automatically used. Here are some steps on how you can use your Bank of America digital card online or in-app. Go to the website or app of the merchant where you want to make a purchase. Select the Bank of America digital card as your payment method. Enter your virtual card number, expiration date and CVV, and then click on the Pay button. And then here are the steps on how to use your Bank of America digital card at a contactless terminal. Tap your phone or watch on the contactless terminal. You may then be asked to enter your PIN, and then from there your purchase will be processed. Now for that step, you do have to be sure that you've added your digital card to either your phone or your watch, and the process on how to do that will be different depending what device you're using. Then here are some things to keep in mind when using your Bank of America digital card. Your virtual card number is digital from your physical card number. You can use your virtual card number anywhere that accepts Visa credit cards. Your virtual card number is protected by Visa's zero liability policy, and you should not share your virtual card number with anyone. And that is how you can use your Bank of America digital card. If you found this video helpful, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.